Lagu dari Langit Podcast kini dikenali sebagai Kinabalu Podcast.
I'm Charlie Cruz. This is Ed Sheeran.
Farid PF, okay, click guys. What up, people?
So, Fan di sini sebenarnya budak biasa aja yang dilahirkan di Ranau.
Jangan lupa subscribe YouTube channel Lagu Dari Langit.
Ada Elvin MY.
Jadi, orang sedang buat benda yang sangat bagus.
Hey, si Aidil Bani di sini kau tidak apa? Oke.
Saya Gilson Yanggun.
Apps editor yang Patrick pakai tadi.
Yo, what up, people? This is Kinabalu Podcast, podcast nomor 1 di Sabah, hosted by Ricardo, Kenny, and Faizal.
Apa dia tulis dalam papan tadi itu?
Vaksin, mana mau dapat vaksin ni? Podcast ini dibawakan oleh orang Kota Marudu tinggal Jepun.
Follow Johan's Journey at Lagu Dari Langit channel on YouTube.
Subscribe, like and share. Juga follow IG Johan di Instagram.
Selain itu, podcast ini juga ditaja oleh NSST Official.
Get all the premium original products or goods by sending them a DM at NSST Official IG.
Untuk cucian pinggan mangkuk yang terbersih, dapatkan sabun Tuklin, sabun cuci dan pinggan mangkuk pertama di Kota Marudu.
Please DM us on Facebook to get a promo price of RM10 for 3 dishwashing liquid from Tuklin.
Sambal Lada Power. Please PM us on Facebook to get Sambal Lada Berapi by Cik Non.
Ingat nama Kinamas Auto jika anda inginkan jentera berat ataupun ringan. PM mereka di Kinamas Auto Beaufort on Facebook.
Your number one beauty product in Sabah, Lux Blossom. Check out their Facebook page, Lux Blossom HQ today.
Now, on to the show.
3 lelaki, 2 bapa, 1 bujang. Podcast pertama paling lit, tidak kurang.
Di Sabah nombor 1 yang lain boleh pulang. Info terkini tajuk best paling mana.
Si Kado botak janggut lebat tiada lawan. Kenny ketawa boleh sampai pecah syawak. Si Faizal pula bagi pancaan lipat awak.
Kami training, kami ranking, jom jadi kawan. Dari yang dekat, mari sini jangan jauh. Volume kasih up, kasih gempa baru jago.
Jokes kami cool, lawak masuk cool. Kadang kami carut sama macam 3 Abdul.
Come on everybody, let's move to the beat. Crack the volume up dengan podcast tidak stupid.
Jangan jauh, mari kami bau. Ciao, bella ciao, ciao, bella ciao.
Yo, what up people, this is Ricardo.
This is Kenny.
Dan saya Faizal.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, podcast nomor 1 di Sabah. Kita masih lagi bersama dengan N. Osman di part yang ketiga di recording eksklusif interview, interactive interview ni. Kita ada banyak sudah callers yang mau bercerita dengan N. Osman. Dan kami masih buka lagi cerita, siapa mau bercerita dengan N. Osman, please do so, sebab dia ni adalah, orang bilang, I have to say, made the history lah, because the first ever Malaysian female fighter.
Legend sudah ni, memang chop legend sudah.
Chop legend sudah. Okay,
yeah,
and
lamb chop.
Ya.
Okay, and kita mau sementara ada, kalau ada yang raise hand ataupun tidak, atau siapa-siapa yang ada raise hand boleh bercerita sama kita.
Belum.
Kalau tidak, kita mau main game sama si N. Okay, kau ingat ke tu game yang kum bet?
Ketawa dia.
Kita akan main bertiga sini. So dia punya circle adalah saya dulu, Kenny, Faizal and N. Lepas tu kita pusing balik ah.
Okay.
Jangan lambat ah. Siapa lambat kalah. Yang sabar punya maksud pun tidak masalah. Tapi tidak boleh nama tidak boleh, nama khas tidak boleh. Alright?
Likas.
Oh, tidak boleh.
Ini tak boleh.
Enggak boleh.
Actually boleh betul kan?
Boleh kah?
Kasih boleh je lah, Pak.
Kasih boleh je lah.
Open.
Boleh lah.
Open lah.
Alright, okay.
Free for all.
Si Faizal ni paling campin main ni. Selalu dia bagi yang payung, dia bilang.
Ya, yung apa?
Mampus.
Yung.
Okay, saya start. Kau ready, N?
Saya lepas siapa?
Selepas Faizal. So, saya,
Okay,
Ricardo, Kenny, Faizal and then you, okay?
Ah,
Lepas tu kita pusing-pusing balik.
kau
lah.
nombor 4.
Ada yang raise hand sebelum kita start?
Kita ada Iftah Hussein.
Okay, bring him up. Wait, bring him up, Ken.
Already.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, we got Johan juga actually.
Yeah.
Let's speak to Johan first. Hi, Johan.
Yo, bro.
Unmute, yes.
Hey everybody.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
And Johan is my brother. Dia di Jepun sekarang, di Aomori, Japan.
Dia tengah belajar apa tu? Apa nama?
Surfing. Dia surfing sekarang sana.
Patutlah.
Tidak, dia sebenarnya tengah sumo.
Okay, kamu bercerita, silakan.
Hi, and my question is, what is which aspect of training that is your least favorite?
Ooh.
My least favorite. Oh, that's a good question.
Kan?
Pandai dia pilih. My least favorite. Okay, first I'm going to start with my favorite was wrestling and jiu-jitsu. My least favorite would be strength conditioning, and I would actually like during fight comp. You know, you're weight cutting. I'm eating like below 1,000 calories a
Wow.
day, and I have to like walk or no, I have to run 30 minutes a day, like 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers a day in the morning, and I start my
Wow.
morning with that, and that is the most least favorite one that I would do. I have to like literally force myself, like tekan suara ni, force myself to do it
Betul-betul
every
terforce,
morning during my fight camp. I think there was even one time like when when you don't eat much for like 3 weeks, and that morning after just like jogging, I just had it. I came pagi like I've already like started bawling. I started crying because I'm like I'm so hungry and I didn't eat the night before, and now I gotta go on the treadmill or gotta run outside and finish my 5 kilometers just to kind of see the numbers go down on my weight scale. And that's my least favorite time.
Okay. That was my second question actually, because I was
Oh,
trying to figure out what is the best method for you to lose weight, or as far as cutting weight.
Oh,
You already
Ooh,
answered
awesome
it.
questions.
that I want to know.
Yeah, everybody here want to know
Kenny.
how to kempiskan
Parut.
parut.
Supaya napaca
Well,
mija. Sorry.
well,
Okay.
weight loss and like cutting weight, I would say pretty much similar, but also very, very different, because you're cutting weight just to kind of, for that 5 minute on the scale at, during fight week. That's
Okay.
all you want to do, is to kind of meet that weight during fight week. And then after that, you blasa everything, you eat everything that you can before your
Ooh.
fight. Like AJ would get me to eat a lot of meat and carbs. Just
Ui,
to
yang
bring
part
the
itu
weight
si
in.
Kenny suka, yang you can eat a lot.
Okay.
Oh.
I have a lot of times after weigh in actually slept on the table, because you haven't eaten for like weeks and weeks, and then suddenly you're asked, you're actually told to load up on carbs, load up on meat. So
Okay.
I'm like so full, so stuffed, and I would just like flop in the restaurant. I would just like go to sleep. But the tips, it's a number game. Like for losing
Yeah.
weight, it's a number game. I mean, it's all about consistency.
Mm.
It's always like, making sure you track your calories and making sure that you're burning weight more than you're eating. Simple as that.
As simple as that, dia bilang.
Simple. I need to track what I eat. Okay.
Well, okay, Johan, ada soalan lagi?
Last question. You said
Yes, carry on.
for fighting diet, you said you're eating less than 1,000 calories. So what is it? Is mostly carbs or protein?
When I was cutting weight,
Yes.
mostly protein, mostly. So I'll kind of run it down. Morning, I would just have black coffee, and then I would go for my run or do my strength conditioning part, and then I'll come back and take a protein shake. Lunch is boiled eggs and
Whoa.
steamed broccoli. Boiled eggs, the little bus, and steamed broccoli.
That's it, that.
And then and it's just that. And it's just and then
Nasadap
I would have
to.
an apple. I
Okay.
would have an apple before my evening training, and then evening training, I don't have dinner. I just take a protein shake.
No
So
dinner?
actually-
No dinner? That is
Yeah.
not life.
Lama.
That's why I say cutting weight is
Ya, betul
not
juga
the
lah.
healthiest.
Betul juga lah.
Weight loss
Mhm.
is about being healthy, and you want to be in a healthy weight range.
Betul,
Cutting
betul.
weight is just to meet the numbers on fight week. So
Ah.
Yeah.
it's not healthy. I would say most athletes are not healthy. You're either
For the
I've
way
heard
in
it.
ni
So
kan.
Mm.
Untuk
Yeah,
timbang.
Weight requirement.
I hung out with Eddie Alvarez. If some of you know, he's
Oh,
former UFC champion.
Eddie Alvarez,
He
man.
got beat by. Yeah, so I hung out with him. I hung out with DJ and Eddie Alvarez. I remember we were on the sushi table in Las Vegas, and he
Wow.
was talking about him and his wife.
Mhm.
They're they're both at they're at both of the ends of the extreme. So they could either, like, when he's fighting, he's got to prepare for his fight. He would like eat as unhealthy as what I just described.
Wah, macam this.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then after their fight, they eat like Kenny.
Wah,
Pizza, donuts, everything.
Berhabis.
antam.
I know so many fighters who is just like so unhealthy, because at one time this year, like you'll be cutting weight for 2-3 times in a year,
Mhm.
and it's the most unhealthiest process for me. I mean, kudos to fighters who do it the right way and
Ooh.
maintain a good weight like
Mhm.
throughout the year, and eat really healthily.
Mhm.
But like what I know, I'm just kind of like Eddie. I'm like at both ends of the spectrum. Like either eating very unhealthily in terms of like eating really little, or eating unhealthy like eating a lot after a fight.
I actually like how this sounds.
I think I remember macam si Agilan Tani kan, one of our fighter ni, dia besar tau. Tapi dia boleh cut
Yeah.
habis-habis untuk weigh in.
Itu disiplin. Really, you
Itu
makan
bukan
sembarang pun.
itu bukan cut carbs atau cut apa, itu cut the crap. Okay, Johan, ada soalan lagi, Johan?
That's all the question. Thank you for your time, and
Thank you.
best of luck in your future endeavors.
You too.
Awesome.
Yo, thanks bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Konon saya, padahal adik saya.
Thank you, bro.
My brother actually, he was born in America during our time in America. Kita ada macam, we can actually relate juga sikit-sikit cerita about America ni sebenarnya. But we were di New Hampshire lah during that time lah, back then. Anyway, it's the time. Tadi ada raise hand. Dia turun balik kah?
Nada sudah.
Dah sudah hilang, sudah dia.
Hilang sudah dah.
Okay, mari kita main game. Let's go.
Let's rock.
Okay, let's go.
Assalamualaikum. Kum apa?
Kum. Example. This is the example.
Oh, example. Pandai kau ah. Pandai kau sikit
Ada
ni.
rehearsal, saya betul rehearsal.
Okay.
Rehearsal. Nah, kan
Okay.
karena support besar.
Saya tukar lah.
Okay.
Payung. Yung apa?
Nah, kau terus kasih mati siao.
Okay. Yang something yang you can continue lah. Okay.
Okay.
Makan. Kan apa?
Kan toy. Toy apa?
Toy.
Sorry.
Bodoh. Macam mana si N Muli join ni kau kasi habis awal. Okay, never mind.
Sorry.
Something else. Okay. Something yang banyak boleh sambung lah. Mereka. Ka apa?
Kamu. Mu apa?
Mudah. Da apa?
Darah. Sorry. N, carry on. Sorry.
Sorry, N.
Da apa? Dapur. Pur apa?
Pura. Ra apa?
Rabak. Bak apa?
Baktu.
Bakau. Oh my god. Okay. Faizal kelas ini. Okay, let's start with N. N, kau dulu. Let's go.
Apa? Saya dulu.
Ya, kau dulu.
Ya.
Apa aja. Jangan payung sudah.
Sambung tadi lah.
Oh, okay. Sambung
Kau
tadi ya.
tu.
Okay, kau ah. Okay, kau kena soal.
Bukan,
Okay.
Bakan.
Okay.
Okay. Bak apa? Bakso. So apa?
Selamanya kita bersama. Yang dulu cakap selamanya.
Selamanya. Soto.
Soto. To apa?
Apa?
Toto.
Kena terus.
To apa? Toto.
Oh my god. Spot Toto.
Bodoh, spot Toto.
Come on, Ken. Come on. To apa?
Tolong. Budu.
Okay.
Tolong. Long apa?
Long pasya. Sia apa?
Buah kah? Sia N.
Sia.
Siapa?
No, betul lah. Okay.
Nah, siapa? Okay.
Alright.
Pa apa?
Pasu. Su apa?
Sukan. Kan apa?
Kantung.
Kantung.
Okay.
Tung
Okay.
apa?
Boleh?
Tung apa?
Siapa Mietan ni?
Si Faizal tadi. Yeah, your turn.
Your turn, N.
Tung apa? Tunggak.
Oh, pandai dia. Okay.
Susah, yo.
Okay. Tanya Ed.
Gak apa?
Okay, gak apa? Gak tahu apa lagi mau disambung. Boy, this is very hard. Okay, let's do another one more game. Kita tukaran ni because ini sangat senang lah ini. Oh, kau padahal banyak kali sudah salah.
Aduh.
We gonna do one more game. Okay, ini I'm gonna give a situation. Situation dia adalah kita ingin kita 4 orang ni mau berlatih MMA bersama AJ Pyro lah. Okay, this is the situation. So kita game ini dipanggil bentuk cerita soal. So kita akan bercerita tapi dalam bentuk bersoal saja dalam circle yang sama tadi. Saya, Kenny, Faizal, N. Okay, for example, di mana mau pergi berlatih ni MMA ni Kenny?
Apa yang saya mau beli untuk prepare?
Soalan-soalan saja. Okay, are you ready, N?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Wow.
Saya benci ni games.
Faizal selalu kalah. Okay, let's go. Di mana mau dapatkan itu baju yang mau belajar MMA tu Kenny?
Berapa yuran saya mau bayar? Zal.
Okay, Sef, come on.
Apa itu MMA?
Siapa ba yang kita mau tanya?
Di mana kita mau tanya tu orang, Kenny?
Siapa ba coach kita ini?
Coach kita itu orang Sabah ke orang Sarawak kah?
Sikit lagi.
Hampir, okay.
Siapa yang datang piklas kita nih?
Kita lah yang datang.
Apa nih? Salah.
Aduh. Okay, next round. Let's kita buat another situation of budu lah. Sendiri buat game sendiri yang hancur lah.
Ya, pemacam game master.
Okay. Alright. Let's do a situation. Okay. Kita 4 orang ni mau audition untuk MMA. Audition tak ada orang panggil. Mana ada audition?
Kita 4 orang tengah
Audition.
timbang berat.
Okay, kita 4 orang timbang berat lah.
I don't like this.
Same pusingan yang sama. Okay, let's go. Okay. Berapa berat kau Kenny?
Saya nak mau timbang boleh kah?
Kalau kita timbang dapat meletup gitu timbangan ini.
Your turn.
Sudah kau simpan tu timbang.
Di mana mau beli tu timbangan Kenny?
Kita pergi Watson kah Guardian ya cari timbangan?
Lepas timbang berat bareng kita boleh makan gini ya.
Mana sudah kita mau makan nih Kenny?
Tadi bilang mau timbang berat, sekarang mau pergi makan. Saya jawab pula.
Apa game master ni? Aduh.
Oh man. That's it for
Good job lah.
That's it for the game lah. Okay, kita tukar tajuk kita sekarang. Sebab kalah saja.
Pemenangnya adalah
Dino. Oh my god, man. Si N bukan sejak. You know what? Ada satu lagi last game. Since actually kan N.
Pacah saya ketawa.
Okay, since kan. Okay, this is actually the first ever lady guest yang kita ada sebenarnya.
Yeah, actually
the
betul.
first ever. Tahu kita punya podcast ni semua yang malu-malu nak mau reply. Okay, kita akan main game ini since kita ada lady di sini dan okay, this is just for the fun of the content lah.
Oh no, I see what this is. Oh man, I think I know.
Kita akan bermain pick up line.
Oh, sinya.
Okay, kita akan pick up line sama si N lah. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Okay. Siapa mau dulu ni?
Okay,
Ken.
apa rules dia ni maksudnya?
Tiada. Kau you just the lady yang kami kasih gombal. Ya.
Aduh.
Okay. Faizal dulu, Zal.
Kau lah dulu.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Let me start. Tapi saya punya balik sudah orang dengar podcast orang boring so. Tapi it's okay. I'm just gonna do it again sebab si N tak pernah dengar. Okay. Okay. Di sini ni kita ada 4 kan N. Tapi kalau saya, si Kenny, si N, saya is 1. Si Kenny is 2. Si N is 3.
Aduh.
Next Ken, go on.
Okay. Saya ada satu soalan nih, N.
Terus kena cancel. Sialnya.
Aku tidak terfikir.
Okay, boleh continue.
Okay, Ken.
Okay. Awak nak tahu tak semenanjung terus. Awak nak tahu tak apa beza awak dengan banduan?
Apa?
Banduan terperangkap dalam penjara, tapi awak terperangkap dalam hati saya.
Okay, Zal, let's go, Zal.
Aduh.
Pecah perut gila, hancur. Okay, Faizal ni power ni punchline dia.
Apa? Aduh, punchline apa ni? N.
Ay.
Oh, lagi tu.
Oi.
Kau sehat, N?
Apa? Sihat.
Kau sehat juga? N?
Sihat juga.
Alhamdulillah, sebab saya risau kalau orang yang saya sayang ni tidak sehat.
Aduh.
Dia bagi.
Yang saya rasa sudah.
Dia bagi.
Bagi ya.
Okay, N. Oh, N.
Ay.
Kau tahu? Oh, gila.
Oi. Mau bertumbuk kah?
Kau tahu, N, apa beza kau dengan ring?
Tidak.
Tidak. Kau tu fight di ring. Tapi saya fight di hati kau.
What the heck?
Tidak kena mengena bodoh.
What?
Pick up line kan juga.
Bodoh.
Tidak sampai.
Alamak, itu tidak sampai.
Tidak sampai, oh shit. Okay, Ken, kau Ken.
Oke. Saya punya ni, kau kenal kah mana-mana tukang kayu?
Sana di Ranau.
Sana di Ranau. Ayo.
Patutnya jawab tidak.
Rusak terus. Napalah saya jawab terus lah. Orang now. Saya cari lah ini sebab saya mau pahat nama dan wajah kau di hati saya. Ay, rusak.
Okay, Zal. Come on, Zal.
N sehat juga?
Oh, sama lagi.
Lagi.
Okay.
N sehat juga?
Sihat.
Oke, baguslah. Jadi bebek kah? Itu aja.
Alah. Itu bertawakal sudah tuh.
Itu macam berserah tuh. N. Oh, N.
Oh.
Yes.
Saya rasa N ni kan bagus tukar nama kepada Su lah.
Kenapa?
Sebab sucinya cinta kita.
Mana Sineta?
Aduh, mati. Aduh. Hai sayang, jaga anak ke? Okay, last round. Last one from Kenny.
Okay, last one. Why is it from me last?
Yalah, because kau always the last one, ba?
Okay.
Tidak kena mengena.
Saya mencari dulu yang okay. N.
Iya.
Saya takut lah.
Kenapa?
Takut kehilangan awak.
Itu terasa, Kenny, terasa.
Aduh.
Sampai.
Itu sampai yang wow terasa aja.
Last lah tu.
Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Alright. Thank you very much for the game. 3 game kita main ni.
Thank you, Ed. Sporting.
It's just for the joke. Thank you, Sporting. Thank you very much, and okay. I think that's about it, guys. Kalau ada mau raise hand, please raise your hand lagi. But I want to say, saya on behalf of Net jugalah, we admire you. Kita pernah macam berlimpas di One Borneo. Itu si N tu. Tegur lasas terlimpas je kami tertunduk saja. Malu.
Kenapa malu?
Tak tahu sebab
Nervous. Star legend berlimpas.
Yeah, but anyway, thank you very much. But kita ada orang yang raise hand ni. We have Chloe here on the line. Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Chloe.
You guys are so funny, man.
Thank you.
Hey, Anne. How are you? Welcome to Clubhouse.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm a newbie here. Hi, Chloe. How are you?
Good. Working now. Yeah. But listening to you guys make me so happy.
Awesome.
Glad because pecah kembali sudah perut saya ketawa.
Dia tahan ketawa.
Semua itu pansa. Hayo. Sula, suci lah.
Habis kekek.
Ya, lepas ini bini saya lock pintu.
Tidur di living room garage.
Ayah, tapi leave your door open kan?
Gotta leave the doors open. Okay, carry on with your questions with kepada Anne, Chloe.
Silakan.
Let's go.
Apa? Mau tanya apa nih? baru saja masuk nih.
It's okay.
Then I saw Anne, that's why I want to support her.
Okay. You
I
can
see.
share your feeling about her. No problem.
Oh, okay. The first time when I saw Anne, you were doing the water rafting.
Yes, I remember that trip.
Yes, and then I was writing about it. Anne is very, very humble. She's a very friendly person. I also met her husband. The two of them, so lovely. They have kids also.
Wow.
Well, guys, I want to share about Chloe. Chloe's a really good writer. You're still with Sri Pelancongan, right, Chloe?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and just kind of like a shout out here, kalau boleh kan, Sri Pelancongan is actually doing a great initiative. Actually, I shared it on my Insta story to Chloe. It's
Yes.
you guys are collecting stuff for the flood victims in Suria.
Oh, yes.
Good cause.
And then and continue first. Nanti baru saya add on. Yeah, don't want to chop you.
But it's nice meeting you here, Chloe. Thanks for getting on
Thank you
it.
so much.
Chloe.
Yes, because the thing is,
Okay, carry on.
Yes. Because the thing is, we do have a point to collect the donations in Plaza 333. But the thing is, there's nobody collecting in KK itself in the city. No. So that's why my office kasih buka there. And then we are waiting for everyone to give their to send their donation to our office in Suran, KK. And then after that, this Friday we are going up. I myself also going up to help the victims.
Awesome.
That's great. I actually will be sending some. I'll actually be dropping off some things also at Sri Pelancongan office.
Awesome.
Nice.
Maybe
nice.
tomorrow.
Yeah, like today I have packed a few of the bags to bring up tomorrow. Tomorrow I was supposed to go, but I can't go. Mau tolong orang cuci tu lantai ha.
Alah, okay.
Kasih borus sama dia. Bagus.
This time,
kopi
yeah,
tolong,
this
Faizal.
time is very very
Kurus
bad.
juga, Ken.
Boleh bah kalau saya di sana.
Ya, kami di Kota Marudu ni. It's wah.
Ya.
Kamu sana ada hujan kah?
Yeah, we do have
Yeah,
gloomy sikit dan ada hujan
my
semalam, tapi tidak
Sudahlah.
heavy lah.
Kau tahu sudahlah tu Sukut begitu kan. Hari ini semalam lagi hujan dari this morning lagi.
Ya, didn't stop
They were
Teruk.
so bad.
Wow,
Yeah.
pity
So
for you
we'll
guys.
see.
Mm.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do, what we can help.
Awesome.
Give more hands, then bagus lah. Everything will be settled more faster and all because they have to build their houses some more. They lost their houses.
Betul.
Yeah, so we have to help
Kesian
them build
oh.
houses also.
So what people should do? I mean, shout out what they should do to help you guys. Probably secara maya kah, mungkin ada mau bank in kah or something like that. All the way far yang jauh-jauh.
Okay, so the thing is, on Clubhouse, I'm going to host a room on Sukut punya donations.
WhatsApp Sabah.
So I will, WhatsApp Sabah, yes,
Okay.
under WhatsApp Sabah, and then we will see which society is able to give me the bank account. I am attached with a few NGOs, so I might use Sabah Society as the main partner for WhatsApp Sabah, and then we will say what's going on there, and then how is it, what kind of things they need. Itulah, yeah.
Awesome, Chloe. I want to tell you, Kinabalu Podcast pun coming to the 5th season sudah. We are the number 1 podcast in Sabah. Kalau if anything you want to relate on whatever, apa-apalah promotions ataupun bantuan ke apa, we would really love to do it. No problem.
Ya, betul.
Let us know.
Nice.
Yeah. And
Thanks, thank you so much.
And kalau kau mau ketawa-ketawa lagi
Terima
macam
kasih.
tadi, kau boleh dengar
Tony,
kami punya Kinabalu
Tony.
Podcast di Spotify.
Tony, tidak message saya lagi di Instagram lagi ay.
Okay. For sure.
boleh. No problem.
Thank you very much,
so,
Chloe.
Yes, a lot of NGO are doing. So what you can do is either follow the NGO that you follow, or you are attached with. I am attached with a few NGO, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll see what we can do and what can you help through them lah. Because now memang they don't want money, memang tidak mau juga kan, because they cannot come out and beli juga.
Ya,
Jadi,
betul.
we have to help them. Yeah, so
Good
people
cause,
like
good
you guys
cause.
can help to buy lah. Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome. Wow,
Yes,
awesome.
and welcome to Clubhouse and
Thank Thank you.
Thank you, Chloe.
Thank you, Chloe. It's so awesome.
I'm gonna put you down. If any one of you yang mau do shout out, we are almost another few more minutes to end the episode ni. Sangat kekek orang bilang. Kekek ni maksudnya sangat lawak lah. And ni sangat funny and as well sangat pandai lah bermain game.
Iya.
And I just want to saya mau touch on balik yang
dia balik lagi yang diet ni kan?
Oh, bukan. Nah, saya mau acknowledge yang apa yang N sebut tadi pasal yang number girl semua tu.
Okay.
It is nice that you bagi kami enlightenment lah about the things that they do, promo behind background semua tu kan. Because all these while saya memang tidak tahu.
A lot of people don't know.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know actually.
Yeah.
So saya kira mau acknowledge balik lah. This is like a really good awareness lah for all of us about what peranan female, female staff and all that
betul.
during the fights and all that.
Yeah.
It is nice.
Thank you very much for that.
Yang boleh kini ganti lah.
Yeah, same like this podcast lah, and because this podcast was like, because Ned is the producer of the podcast, so dia memang banyak.
You wish.
Yeah, dia banyak give ideas and everything on what to do, and jangan lebih dia bilang, but you know the constructivism came from her. Ya, jadi itulah.
Lady boss.
Orang bilang female now are, you know, orang bilang
kita punya tulang belakang
dan something awareness yang paling bagus lah kalau kita ada as a leader ataupun as a you know yang campaigning awareness yang sebeginilah. Yeah.
Kita punya big Y lah tu.
Yeah, big Y.
Wow.
Anyway, and I think that's about it. Anyway, and thank you very much for doing this podcast with us. We are so honored and humbled to have you here. Kami sangat-sangat berbesar hati. Kami tidak tahu yang kau sangat down to earth.
Yeah. Lagilah kami starstruck,
bro. Kita cakap bukan sama calang-calang nih, man. Seriously. So, thank you so much. Daripada kami Kinabalu Podcast, me myself rasa sangat terharu lah to have you here. Tiba-tiba serius konon. Okay, Ken, what do you want to say to Ed?
Saya terus terkedu lah.
Wow.
No. All the best to whatever you're doing, your business, and I hope you make a comeback.
Wah, betul.
Yeah, and we really want to see you go like fly lah.
Exhibition match.
Encore match. No?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All the best to you. And
Okay, my question to you guys.
Okay.
What kind of exhibition match should I do? Like my question to you guys, like what would be the ideal one?
Okay, we don't know the female punya MMA yang ada di yang besar-besar lah ada di dunia ini. Yang kami tahu Athena Osman saja. And sama yang kau kasih KO itu yang kami kenal. Tapi itulah, we would like to see yang big lah, macam kau cakap celebrity yang Anna Hulaton is quite big juga kan last time, but I think maybe someone yang besar lah yang
in UFC,
you know,
gitu
payah kamu bagian lawan dengan itu jelas transgender.
Oh my god.
Yeah, stuff like that lah. Yang begitulah. Orang yang besar and then big names just for the comeback for just one show. Begitu betul.
Yeah,
bukan gitulah itu.
Buset lawan si Ken ni.
Lama.
Bagus kalau sikit ni betul.
Aku takut skinny terus cuti 1 tahun nih.
Kau kena lock.
Habis kau.
Okay,
kurus lah
before
ini.
kita end this kan, I would like to ask you one question. Saya lupa. Sini saya berhabis mau ingat end. Apa kau punya specialty? What is your specialty during a fight? Southpaw. Jab, hook.
Not southpaw.
Okay.
But what people mostly know me for, or macam kena highlight before my fight is, you know, my ability to score takedown.
Yeah.
Because takedowns are big points.
Betul.
So yeah, that and controlling on the cage control, and also ground and pound. So it's mostly on my wrestling skills.
So usually memang saya nampak kau punya video pun kau macam usually kau akan grab di kaki terus kau kasih drop kan, kasih jatuh. So memang banyak kali kau buat tu benda.
that's a takedown lah.
Takedown, ya, itulah.
Wah, signature move lah.
Ya, macam specialty dia lah begitu.
Macam Khabib lah.
Ya, Khabib pun begitu.
Wah, anda lawan McGregor ni begini ya, McGregor. Apa?
Alright Zal, you want to cakap apa-apa sama Ann last ni sebelum kita end the
Saya pun macam
podcast?
kamu dua juga, semoga Ann buat comeback je lah. Mana lah tahu kan?
Ya, betul. Why not?
Dan apapun macam andainya tidak buat comeback pun boleh menghasilkan pelapis-pelapis dari Sabah juga.
Yes.
Ya,
mungkin
betul.
boleh
Menaikkan
mencapai
Sabah.
yang lebih pencapaian yang lebih tinggi berbandingin. Siapa tahu kan?
Siapa tahu? Ya.
Mana tahu masuk UFC.
Iya, dan kalau boleh kan contohnya kalau buat cari bakat-bakat baru, inform kami kan mana lo kami mau coba kan. Bakat terpendam.
Ya.
Macam semangat aku sekarang ni macam berkobar-kobar nih Ustaz, try MMA ni.
Test kan. Anyway, actually macam Faizal cakapkan kan, banyak yang macam probably diorang tidak gym, but they are very strong female yang ada around di Kota Marudu, yang pedalaman sila, suburban punya area ataupun rural punya area yang biasa bawa angkat getah ke apa ke scrum yang very strong and has the spirit lah orang bilang. Tapi itulah mungkin diorang tidak jalan to go there to
exposure.
Yeah, there's no stepstones and everything. Probably next time kalau macam ada jalan kan, yang orang bilang recruiting yang di pedalaman lah, begitulah.
Oh, mana tahu ada yang kuat-kuat.
Mana tahu.
Yeah, who knows? I mean, hopefully through the work that we do through Malaysia MMA Association, we're able to macam bantu, especially those yang baru mau start, bagi orang guidance dari segi itulah.
Betul.
Because I think everybody needs advice and mentorship, so at least and networking, so at least sedikit sebanyak we can kind of like help them.
Most definitely.
I wasn't able to have that from other female athletes, but I was very lucky that I had a good team and also a good coach who was able to guide me until become the person I am. But I'm hoping to give back, and I'm happy with the life that I have right now.
Betul.
Able to help those younger, those who aspire to do.
You've done a lot.
So
Yes.
I really hope to see that though. Hopefully one day, we've got, like I say, we have all those female athletes I named just now. They have a long way to. They can actually get there. So
Awesome.
We need people like you guys. Thanks for having me part of the show.
Man, kami yang honored.
Thank you.
Highlighting what I do and the things that I am doing right now. So it really helps to kind of highlight the sport and the female in the sport. So and thank you for acknowledging the women's women's role in all industries, be it in family, professional, or sport. So walaupun we're sometimes they're not in the forefront, like Nat, she does the editing and producing, but she plays a big role.
Yes, betul.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
The big yes.
Yeah, the
Kalau dia
big
bilang
yes.
no, tiada ni podcast. Anyway, and before you leave, we would like to have macam a shout out to Kinabalu Podcast. Like macam, hi, I'm Ann Athena Osman. You are listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the number 1 podcast in Sabah. So lebih kurang begitulah. Can you do that for us?
All right, can. Oh, by the way, congrats on being the number 1 podcast in Sabah.
I mean, very new lah. Di Sabah, very new kan podcast punya industri. But we've been 1 tahun lebih sudah lah.
Yeah.
Hopefully, it will grow lagi lah.
Yep.
Okay, carry on. Let's go.
Wait, sorry, what you guys want to say?
Like a shout out lah. Hi, I'm Athena Osman. Oh, angan-angan. You are listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the number 1 podcast in Sabah. Sort of like that lah.
All right. Okay. All right. Cue me or I go.
Okay, I'll cue you. Go.
Hi, I'm Ann Athena Osman, and you're listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the number 1 podcast in Sabah.
Thank you.
Mantap.
We're gonna end the podcast. Thank you very much, and once again,
so much,
it's an awesome session we had. So
and we learned a lot.
Yes, thank you to our producer Nat. Thank you to all the sponsors. Saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Dan saya Faizal.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast nomor 1 di Sabah. Ciao, Chin, ciao,
Bella,
Bella, ciao.
Ciao.